Why mobile device security matters.
Smartphones and tablets are essential in daily life, but they are also targets for malware and cyber attacks. Personal data, banking details, and private messages can be at risk. Protecting your mobile device helps keep your information safe, ensures privacy, and prevents costly problems caused by malware or hacking.
What are AI anti-malware apps?
AI-powered anti-malware apps use artificial intelligence to detect and block threats more effectively than traditional methods. These apps analyze how apps and files behave, spot suspicious activities in real time, and adapt to new types of malware. This makes them especially powerful tools for keeping your device secure.
Choosing the right AI anti-malware app.
When selecting an AI anti-malware app, look for strong reviews, regular updates, and compatibility with your device. Well-known apps like Norton Mobile Security, Bitdefender, or Avast include AI features. Check for extra options such as safe browsing, app scanning, and phishing protection to get the best coverage.
Installing and setting up.
Download your chosen app from the official App Store to avoid fake versions. Follow the on-screen instructions, allow necessary permissions, and run a full scan after installation. Enable automatic updates so your app can stay current and identify the latest threats, providing ongoing protection without extra effort.
Best practices for ongoing protection.
Keep your anti-malware app active and updated to ensure round-the-clock defense. Avoid downloading apps from unknown sources, and be cautious with email attachments or suspicious links. Regularly back up important data. By combining smart habits with AI security tools, you can greatly reduce your risk of malware and cyber attacks.